Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize affiliate marketing with Skillshare, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize affiliate marketing with Skillshare, start by creating a Skillshare account if you haven't already. Explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the range of courses available. Identify a niche or topic that aligns with your audience's interests. Research popular courses within that niche to understand what attracts potential learners. Join the Skillshare affiliate program to gain access to unique referral links. Once you're approved, begin crafting promotional content that resonates with your audience. Consider creating blog posts or videos highlighting the benefits of specific Skillshare classes. In your content, emphasize how these courses can solve common problems or enhance skills. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within the content, ensuring they fit seamlessly. Utilize social media platforms to share your promotional content. Engage with your audience by encouraging discussions about the courses you recommend. Leverage email marketing by sending newsletters that include your affiliate links. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links through Skillshare's dashboard. Analyze which courses generate the most clicks and conversions. Experiment with different types of content to see what works best for your audience. Adjust your strategies based on data insights and audience feedback. Stay updated on Skillshare trends and new course offerings to keep your content fresh. Promote exclusive offers or discounts available through Skillshare for added appeal. Collaborate with others in your niche to broaden your reach. Remember to remain authentic and transparent about your affiliate relationships. Continue to refine and optimize your approach as you gain more experience and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.